find out maximum and let's try to find out maximum and minimum value of velocity. So what is the maximum minimum value that we wanted to find out? So what is the prerequisites? What are the necessities to find out the maximum minimum values? We are quite aware of that. At a mean position, x will be equal to 0. At a positive extremity, say this is the mean position. At a positive extremity, x will be equal to plus a, and at a negative extremity, a will be equal to minus a. So that is our prerequisites. That is the information that we already find out in a previous lecture, right? Now the equation of the velocity is equal to v is equal to omega square root of a square minus x square. So sometimes we used to mention your sign also, plus minus omega, right? So we are quite aware of this particular circle, projection of SHM on a circular motion, right? So at a mean position, phi will be equal to 0. At a positive extremity, phi will be equal to, we can say that, pi by 2, right? At a negative extremity, phi will be equal to, we can say that, pi. At a at a mean position, at a negative extremity, pi will be equal to, or the omega t plus pi, right? And omega t plus pi will be at a, say, negative extremity, that will be equal to how much? 3 pi by 10, so on, right? Now x will be at a mean position equal to 0. At a positive extremity, x will be equal to plus a. At a mean position, again is equal to 0. At a negative extremity, x will be equal to minus a. This information I already mentioned over here, right? So now at a mean position, what is our requirement? What is our necessity? That is x will be equal to 0. Right? This is the prerequisite, this information that we are quite aware of that. So v will be equal to plus minus omega square root of a square minus x plus. What I am just now going to put over there, the value of x will be equal to 0. So v will be equal to plus minus omega square root of a square minus 0 square, right? So v will be equal to plus minus omega square root of what will remain over here? A square. Square and square root will get cancelled, right? So that's the reason why v will be equal to plus minus omega. So at a positive extremity, we need not to consider negative sign. At a positive extremity, the value of a velocity will be equal to plus omega. And this is the maximum value. This is maximum value with the object is at a positive extreme, at a mean position, and now it is going to move towards positive extreme, right? So this is for we can say that at a mean position the value of the velocity is equal to omega a, right? So at positive extreme, what is the value of velocity that I just wanted to find out? So what is the value of displacement at the positive extreme? At a positive extreme, what is the value of displacement? That is equal to plus a, right? Plus a. So velocity will be equal to plus minus omega square root of a square minus x square. So instead of x, what I am going to put? A, right? So v will be equal to plus minus omega square root of a square will be there. That is, instead of x, I am going to place over there. That is equal to 3. So a square minus a square, 0, right? So v will be equal to plus minus omega square root of 0. 0 into anything? 0. So this is the value of velocity at a positive extreme. That is equal to mean. What exactly it means? याचा अर्थ काय? जर मीन पोझिशन वरून एखादा ऑसिलेटर किंवा एखादा पार्टिकल एक्स्ट्रीमला जाऊन काय होणार आहे? थांबणार आहे. झोक्याचं उदाहरण घेऊ शकतो आपण. एखाद्या झोक्याचं दिल्यानंतर वरती गेल्यानंतर आणखी जात नाही तो कुठे जातो? एक्स्ट्रीम लेवलनंतर तो काय म्हणण्यात आपण तो व्यक्ती किंवा झोका काय होतो? थांबतो जी वेलोसिटी काय देते त्याची 0. सो दॅट्स द रिझन व्हाय ॲट अ पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स्ट्रीम वेलोसिटी विल बी 0, राईट? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट velocity at a, we can say that, negative extreme, because at the both positions velocity will be equal to something different. Okay, but after positive extreme, let's try to take the value of another mean position. Means when particle moves from moves from positive extremity to mean to negative extremity. Now where that particular I am just going to consider at a this mean position. Now from where it is now going to move from mean to negative extremity. तो कौन पूरा चला particle mean position पर पूरा चला था negative extremity वाला. When a particle moves from mean to negative extreme, right? So what will be the value of x over there? 0, right? Value of x will be is equals to 0. So now velocity will be is equals to plus minus square root of omega square root of a square minus x square. So instead of x, what I need to put over there 0. So v will be is equals to plus minus omega square root of a square minus 0, right? So v will be is equals to plus minus omega square root of a square. Square and square root will get cancelled, right? So v will be is equals to plus minus omega, but we need to consider at a negative when the particle moves from mean to negative extremity, the value of v will be is equals to minus omega. So this is the case at a, we can say that at a mean position. Now last position, what the last position is, we can say that negative extreme. So at a negative extreme, the value of the value of x will be is equal to minus of a. Velocity, the formula velocity plus minus omega square root of a square minus x square. So v will be is equal to plus minus omega square root of a square will be as it is minus of a square. Bracket. That is not minus will not get cancelled. That will remain as it is v plus minus omega square root of a square will be as it is minus sign. What is the square of negative? Positive. So square of minus a square, that will be equal to plus a square. So this a square will be as it is this plus a square, plus into minus of a square minus a square 0 again. So velocity will be equal to 0 at negative. So whenever the particle moves from positive to mean position, so mean to positive extreme to mean. Now when the particle is at negative extremity, it is going to stop. Even at negative extremity. ఇక్కడ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ होगा तरी आला तर तुम्हाला वरती काय किंवा लोकांना थांबणार velocity negative extremity किती असणार आहे. This is the case with which we are talking about, right? So this is all about, we can say that velocity minimum and maximum values of velocity. So what is the situation? Let's overview it, right? Overview it. What is overview? Velocity at a positive extremity will be like this, and right? Okay, right? So at a we can say that mean position velocity will be equal to plus omega. At a negative extremity, velocity will be equal to, we can say that 0. At a negative extremity, value of velocity will be equal to minus omega. And at a when the particle moves from mean to negative extremity, velocity will be minus omega. And when a particle is at a negative extremity, velocity will be equal to 0. That is the situation here we have, right? Okay, so let's move towards next point. Next point of discussion is like again that thing. Next point of discussion is nothing but we can say that minimum and maximum value of acceleration. Minimum and maximum value of acceleration. So what is the minimum and maximum value of acceleration? Let's try to find out. Right? The value of minimum and maximum value of acceleration. Now, what acceleration is? The formula for the acceleration is equal to acceleration we will denote by the letter small a minus omega square x. Right? We have 4 different positions. We have 4 different positions, right? So in a 4 different positions, a will be equal to what? So at a mean position, first of all, when the particle is at the mean position, what is the value of acceleration over there? So at mean position, and we are quite aware of that, at a mean position, x will be equal to what? 0. X will be equal to 0. So a will be equal to minus omega square x. So a will be equal to minus omega square. And the value of x will be equal to 0, right? So as the value of x will be equal to 0 over here, so acceleration at a mean position will be equal to 0. And this is the minimum value of the acceleration. This is the minimum value of acceleration. It is a quite reverse of the velocity. Velocity at a mean position is omega a. velocity will be is equals to plus omega. Velocity at the another mean position, that will be is equals to minus omega. So but at a mean position acceleration is equals to 0. So when the velocity is a maximum, that time acceleration is minimum. Comparatively you can keep in your mind, right? So acceleration at the mean position is 0, right? Next, after mean position, which position comes? Positive extreme. So at positive extreme position, the value of x will be is equal to plus a. What is displacement at the positive extreme? Displacement at the positive extreme will be x will be is equal to plus a, right? So the value of acceleration, the formula for the acceleration, a will be is equal to minus omega square x. So instead of x, what I am going to put over there? Plus a. So a will be is equal to small a, that is acceleration will be is equal to minus omega square. Instead of x, that will be is equal to a. So this is the value of a. We can say that acceleration at a positive extreme position, right? So it is nothing but a, in a magnitude, this will be is equal to maximum, right? In terms of magnitude, acceleration will be nothing but a maximum, right? Okay, now next position. What is the next position? When the particle now moves from mean to negative extreme. When the particle moves from mean to negative extreme, the value of acceleration, x will be is equal to 0 at that particular position. At a what? At a, we can say that at a mean position, at a mean position, when it moves from, and when the particle moves from mean to negative extreme, displacement at the mean position, at this position, when the particle moves from mean to negative extremity, that time x will be equal to 0. So a will be is equal to minus of omega square x. So again the value of x will be equal to 0. 0 into anything? 0. So acceleration at that position, acceleration at the another mean position. Another mean position, that means mean. There are the two mean positions. When the particle moves from mean to positive extreme, this mean position we consider, and when the particle moves from mean to negative extreme, so this mean position we consider, right? So now next position, next we can say that value of acceleration of the next position at negative extremity, at negative extreme position or the at negative extremity. So at negative extremity, x will be is equal to minus of a. X will be is equal to minus of a. Acceleration again, acceleration is equal to a minus omega square x. So instead of x, minus a we will put. So a will be is equal to minus of omega square into minus a. So minus minus plus. So this is the maximum value of a. We can say that maximum value of acceleration. So some cases in a certain multiple choice question, you may get the value, like you may get that question. What is the position? What is the position at which? What is the position at which acceleration is maximum? And you may get a four option. First option is mean position. Second option is extreme positive extreme position, right? Third option is negative extreme position, and fourth option is none of these. So which option you will take? Negative. In some cases, some person may say that what they say that the value of acceleration at the positive extreme is a maximum. If we take the magnitude here, what they say that it doesn't say that in the question. What is the position at which the magnitude of where acceleration is maximum? If the value is a maximum, magnitude say if the word they introduce over there, that is a magnitude. The word if they introduce the magnitude हा word जरी they introduce जर केला तर इथे आपल्याला काय याचे दोन आन्सर असतात दोन्ही पण म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह आणि पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स्ट्रीमिटी या दोन्ही ऑप्शन राहतात इथे जर वर्ड मॅग्निट्यूड यूज केला तर आणि if there is magnitude word is not present there, only what is present over there, what is the position at which acceleration is a maximum, so you need to say negative extreme, right? So this is right? So this is nothing but we can say acceleration, minimum and maximum value of acceleration, minimum and maximum value of velocity, and minimum and maximum value of displacement. In comparatively, we will check all the values. Let's take a certain values. Say, for example, For example, three different positions that I am going to take. Which are the three different positions? First position, say this is mean position, this is positive extreme, this is negative extreme. At a mean position, x will be is equal to 0. Velocity will be is equal to omega n. Right? At a negative extreme, x will be is equal to plus a. What is velocity? 0. At negative extreme, x will be is equal to minus a. Velocity will be is equal to 0. Right? At a mean position, acceleration will be is equal to 0. At a positive extreme, acceleration will be is equal to minus omega square a. At negative extreme, acceleration will be is equal to plus omega square a. So this is maximum value of acceleration at a negative extremity. This is maximum value of velocity at a mean position. This is maximum value of displacement at a positive extreme. Right? So that's the reason why in the case of, we can say that displacement, where the displacement will be maximum at positive extreme, where the velocity will be maximum at the mean position, where the acceleration will be maximum at a negative extreme. But again, I'm going to say that in the word they say what is the magnitude of the displacement and velocity or acceleration will be maximum. So in the case of velocity, we don't have any problem. It will be maximum only at a mean position. But in the case of, if we take a magnitude of the displacement, this will be also maximum, this will be also maximum. In the case of acceleration, this will be also maximum value and this will be also maximum value. If we consider the word magnitude, so that is, we can say that, right,